What happened to Chomp Shop after Shark Tank? Max Leichty and Kausi Raman walked into the Shark Tank with a big idea made from simple cardboard. The two founders pitched their company, Chomp Shop, asking the sharks for $250,000 in exchange for 5% ownership of their business. Their product, called ChompSaw, was made to solve a common problem in many homes. Kids love building things with cardboard, but parents worry about sharp tools. Children turn cardboard boxes into castles, cars, robots, and swords. But scissors and box cutters can be unsafe. Max and Kausi wanted to change that. ChompSaw is a kid-safe power tool made just for cardboard. Instead of sharp blades, it uses tiny hole punches to cut. Kids follow black lines on the cardboard, and the tool slowly chomps through it. Even if a child touches the cutting area, it will not hurt them. The goal of Chomp Shop is simple: help kids learn by building with their hands, not just staring at screens. Max and Kausi met while studying product design at the University of Pennsylvania. During one of their classes, they noticed how hard it was for kids to safely cut cardboard. That moment sparked the idea for Chomp Shop. They believed hands-on building could teach kids problem-solving, creativity, and STEM skills. ChompSaw became their answer. During their pitch, the founders showed piles of cardboard and explained how kids can reuse boxes for art projects. The sharks tested the product themselves and were impressed by how safe it was. At the time of the show, ChompSaw cost $73.81 to make and sold for $230. The product had not shipped yet, but the company already had 10,000 pre-orders, worth about $2.1 million. Some sharks worried about pricing and production, but Mark Cuban saw strong potential. He believed the founders could fix the problems and turn ChompSaw into a big success, especially during the holidays. Mark offered $250,000 for 15% ownership. Then Lori Greiner jumped in and asked to partner with him. Together, they offered to split the deal. Max and Kausi accepted right away. After the show aired, Chomp Shop saw a huge boost. Interest exploded and sales grew fast. Within 6 months, the company made over $6.5 million in revenue. They successfully shipped more than 26,000 ChompSaw units, moving from pre-orders to full production. By June 2025, ChompSaw was being used in classrooms and was named a top holiday toy. Parents and teachers praised it for helping kids learn while having fun. The company's estimated value reached around $4.2 million, proving that a simple idea made from cardboard can turn into a powerful business.